Policy and community development is going to have you look at the small scale and large scale versions of policy, but actually looking at how it is going to interact in a community. You're looking at how interpersonal relationships, community relationships, size, all of those different factors that will change a community and change their identity, how those actually interact with policy.
Taking policy research, which is researching how governments make decisions, why governments make decisions, and so it's a lot easier to both make effective policy and to hold ineffective policy accountable if there's actual hard data to back up why it is or isn't effective.
Because here in the Department of Social Sciences, our work is within and in communities, we spend a lot of time outside of the classroom taking the knowledge and tools and techniques that we learn in the classroom and applying them to actual research projects.
Because that's what policy is all about. Effective policy is about addressing the needs of a community. And it's great to see Michigan Tech kind of encouraging students to kind of step out into their own backyard.
What you're going to be doing in the workforce, helping people actually enacting change, you already have experience in that before you graduate.
You get exposed to an interdisciplinary approach to the entire field.
What I'm most thankful for is the connections that I've gotten through this degree and just Michigan Tech in general.
The department here, despite being small, is just incredibly passionate about what they do, and that's kind of infectious in a way.